Gold and silver both have started the week on a slight bearish note. Now trading at support levels. Silver specifically has reversed from 2440 and now trading with the support at 2420, while gold has got its resistance intact at 1960, and since then it has tried to trade with a bearish bias. So what to expect now today? With the help of charts and indicators, we'll try to find out the positions, which will try to find out the entry prices at which we can enter, we can trade and make profit today. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. This is the first update for the day. Let's start. If you look at the gold's movement, you will find, see, this was a sharp drop, then retracement will almost 50%, and now again trying to continue with the drop. Remember, it is breached this retracement channel and now trying to trade with a bearish bias. That is the first observation. Next is it has got its support intact at 1940 levels, very clear. So remember, till the previous lows are broken, you should not treat gold as bearish. You should also see this as a retracement from the rise here. See, this is the rise, then this is the retracement. It can retrace till towards 1950, 1946 levels and then bounce back again. This is the first observation. Second, if you look at the moving averages have crossed over here, since then trading bearish, all stacked one over other. Now the resistance is seen here at around 1956, 58 zone. This is the stronger resistance, and then 1962. These three are very strong resistance as of now for gold. Stochastic has now reached again to the oversold level, while if you look at the MACD, this is also crossed over for a sell entry, but this crossover is happening at a zero level, almost at a zero line. So definitely you have to be watchful a bit how far it can stretch. It can possibly converge and crossover again on the buy side, but right now it is trading bearish. It is looking downwards. RSI is also looking downwards, indicating slight bearishness. And coming to 2 hours, similar observation here, and hence a buy entry is now very clear, is above 1960 levels. If you see it trading above 1960 and till 64 65, it has got great resistance. We have discussed it last week also. I am again emphasizing it, that you can buy at 60. However, till 64 65 levels, gold has got very strong resistance, and only if it breaks past this, you can consider this as bullish. Right now it is trying to look downwards. Right now it is trying to trade bearish as of now. Stochastic looking down. MACD has trying to converge and willing to cross over for sell. Now look at MACD here. See, after this sharp drop, it is retraced here. Now again willing to converge, crossover for sell. So what it can try to do, even if it crosses over, it can form a double bottom and rise, because see, this is crossover is already happening at a very lower level. Also look at the waves here. See, this is high and lower highs, then lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So on the upside, it is still got a little further room for it to rise. Hence, this bearishness can go away soon. This is also very much possible. Coming to 3-hour chart, similar observation here. 1960, very strong resistance. Also the drop, retracement, and again resuming its downward journey. Now see, 1950, 1948. These are the two levels where it is going to get maximum support. If you see it trading below these levels, you can stay short or sell here. Stochastic looking down, MACD willing to cross over for sell again, but this is already trading at a lower levels here. RSI looking down here, trying to trade with a bearish bias. Coming to 4 hours, on the 4-hour chart, the moving averages have crossed over here, trading with divergence and bearishness. Thus 1960 definitely a very strong race, and right now it is looking downwards. See the candles increasing bearishness here. Yes, it is trying to trade with a bearish bias. Stochastic looking down. MACD is first wave, second wave, third wave. It is still continuing its downward journey here. It is not willing to cross over. RSI looking down. Coming to the daily charts, if you look at the daily, now see, interestingly, on the daily charts, the moving averages have crossed over here, which were trading are trading with divergence. Also the prices were divergent from the moving average. So what has happened here is the prices converged till towards moving averages. Also, if you look at the previous two candle, higher lows and you can see lower highs. So 1950, 1948 is again going to remain a very strong support for the day. Stochastic flat here. MACD crossing over for sell, trading with divergence, and this crossover is also at a lower levels here. It has a room for it to rise. However, let's see, right now it is trading with divergence and bearishness, and RSI is also looking down now. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell today at a 1950 levels, or you can sell at 1952 also, but remember till 1948 very strong support exists for gold, and hence you should be trading with stop loss at your entry price, such that in case of reversal your trade closes without any loss. So yes, till 1948 very good support. Then we may see it hitting 1943, and below that a further sharper drop will be seen. So so if it drops below last week's low, that is at around 1942.43, certainly the bears will take over the chart there and a sharper drop can be expected. On the upside, you can buy here at 1958 levels, but then 1960-65 zone is where it is going to get maximum resistance, and hence you should remain cautious and alert till then. Beyond 1965, bulls will take over. Possibly we are going to look at 1973 zone on the upside, which is going to be the great resistance, and below 1940 is where the more bearishness will be seen here. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 24th batch is going to start on 7th of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts, sharp drop, retracement, and again continuing or resuming its bearish nature. Now see, 2420 is indeed a great support, and 2410. I will rather recommend you to now wait for 2410 in order to confirm that drop there, because 2410 is a great support. Below that we are going to look this time at around 2395 and 2380. These are the two targets which it will try to achieve. Now also on the upside, 2440 has proven out to be a great resistance here. The moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic is oversold. MACD willing to cross over for sell again. See first wave, and it is resuming its second wave here. I will be definitely cautious on the hourly charts. RSI looking downwards, indicating slight bearishness here. Coming to 2 hour, similar observation on the 2 hour chart, support, retracement, resistance, and now looking downwards here, trying to trade with a bearish bias. Stochastic looking down, indicating slight bearishness. Look at MACD. See, MACD is just trying to converge, and see this crossover, this rise is coming from a very lower levels. It has a potential for it to rise on the upside, and hence even if it tries to trace bearish both gold and silver, we can expect a potential bounce back later. RSI looking down later means not today, but yes, it can be possible today also, but yes, mostly in the forthcoming sessions, which I will look forward to. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts for silver, you can very clearly see 2440, 2460 is a very critical resistance zone. Yes, any buy entry can be taken if you see it trading about 2440 levels. Expected to rise more. See, silver has retraced less. It has the potential till 2460 for it to rise, but right now it is getting very strong resistance at 2440. Stochastic looking down. MACD is almost flat. RSI looking down. And on the 4-hour charts, similar observation on the 4-hour chart, sharp drop, retracement, and now again resuming its downward journey. Stochastic looking down here, MACD is already bearish, and RSI is also looking downwards, indicating slight bearishness. Coming to the daily chart, look at the daily charts. Higher lows are seen, flat top is seen. I will definitely wait for it to break out beyond 2440 in order to confirm the rise, while 2410 is a good entry for selling silver today. Below that we can expect 2395, 2380 levels. 2380 is a very good support for the day. Hence we are not going to take any trade between 2440 and 2410 levels for the 30 cents. Just observe, watch, nothing else. Above and below you can expect 2460 zone, very strong resistance there at 2460. Beyond that anything is a bonus. On the downside, you can sell here at 23,410, and I will expect 2395, 2380, and anything below this is a bonus. You can look forward to 2350 levels also. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading and training queries. Remember, equip yourself with the tools, techniques, strategies which can help you become profitable and proficient trader. Thus, the mentorship batch will definitely help you in achieving your goals. Do reach out to me for more details on my mentorship batch. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.